lesson, we're going to be going over the Ikis 4 count, and we're using the stick and dagger, and this is a basic coordination drill. In this video, we're going to do it solo practice. In another video, we'll do it with a partner. So why are we doing a coordination drill? What is the whole point of coordination drills? Obviously, to develop coordination. It's just a good place to start to familiarize yourself with motions. It also helps to enhance your weapon handling, so you don't accidentally cut yourself or nick yourself with a stick or with a knife. But this does progress. They do get more challenging, but the idea is we want to develop flow, we want to develop rhythm, and we want to get the footwork to move in conjunction with the hands. So in this video, we're going to go over 3 variations using the Ikis 4 count on the stick and dagger. Okay, so with the Ikis 4 count, let's go ahead and get the pattern down. And Ikis literally means X, so we're making an X. 4 count is, well, there's only 4 motions within this pattern. So we're going to be using both weapons simultaneously. And so we're going to start off with the stick. We're going to make our angle 1 strike, coming downward diagonal. Our left hand is then going to thrust the knife, coming all the way through. Our right hand hits the backhand diagonal, and our left hand does the backhand thrust. And we bring it back to open. So all we're doing is we're going to cross our hands and uncross our hands. So we're making an X with the right and an X with the left. As you start to get a little bit more comfortable with it, go ahead and start to speed it up. Okay, once you get the pattern down, first variation of the drill is being able to do this, the pattern work stationary. So we go ahead and make our Ikis. We want to be able to do this stationary off of the right lead. And we want to be able to do it stationary off of the left lead. You should start to feel comfortable in both leads. This is variation number 1. Okay, so variation number 2 is we're going to be using the triangle footwork. So we're going to first step 45 degrees forward to the left and execute our Ikis 4 count, come back, and step up 45 degrees to the right and again execute our Ikis 4 count. So where we start is center line, and this would represent where our opponent would be. So as we step to the left, we want to make sure we're striking back to the center. When I come back, I step out to the right, I make sure I'm striking back to the center. Right, so again, we want to make sure that we can do the Ikis 4 count also on the triangle. So we're getting 1 step with 4 weapon movements. And if you like, you can go ahead and travel that back foot in so you're not leaving the back foot out. That's variation number 2. Okay, so the third variation for Ikis 4 count using our stick and dagger is we're going to start traveling, we're going to start advancing, start retreating with our movements. So the first variation of this is we're going to start off in the right lead, and every time we thrust with the knife, we're going to take a step, only with the knife. So I hit the stick, I step forward with the knife, I hit the stick, I step forward with the knife. I hit the stick, I step back with the knife. I hit the stick, I step back with the knife. We'll go ahead and get a side view of this. Again, starting off in the right lead, hit with the stick. Step forward with the knife, hit with the stick, step forward with the knife, hit with the stick, step back with the knife, hit with the stick, step back with the knife. So the second variation for number 3 is this time we're going to start off with our left lead, and we're going to advance and retreat with the motions of the stick. So I step forward with the stick, strike with the knife, step forward with the stick, strike with the knife. I step back with the stick, strike with the knife, step back with the stick, strike with the knife. And once again from the side view. Starting off in the left lead, step forward with the stick, strike with the knife, step forward with the stick, thrust with the knife. Step back with the stick, thrust with the knife, step back with the stick, thrust with the knife. Alright, so practicing the Ikis 4 count using the stick and dagger, really good place to start building some of the coordination and getting the feet to start moving with the stick. Using the stick and dagger is really nice because it helps to emphasize the body mechanics. It just takes a little bit more when you have a long weapon and a short weapon in each hand. So give it a try, and in another video lesson we'll go ahead and do the same drills using a partner, so you can go ahead and see that as well.